Top 10 dog breeds that are super easy to train. Rottweiler, loyal and obedient with proper training. Australian Shepherd, energetic and loves to learn new tasks. Papillon, small but intelligent and quick to pick up commands. Shetland Sheepdog, smart, quick learners with herding instincts. Doberman Pinscher, alert, intelligent, and responsive. Labrador Retriever, easygoing and loves to learn. Golden Retriever, friendly and eager to obey commands. German Shepherd, extremely loyal and fast learners. Poodle, quick learners with a desire to please. Border Collie, highly intelligent and eager to work.